What's up, guys? It's Demon Viper, and we picked up some new Blaze and the Monster Machine toys for Jonah's garage. We finally found the last two that we've been looking for, which is Panda Bear Truck and Debris. So who are Panda Bear Truck and Debris? So this is from the second wave of the Blaze and the Monster Machine toys that just came out recently. If you've watched my other videos, you've seen that we've picked up Gus, Joe, Grizzly Bear, and we haven't picked up the metallic Blaze or the camouflage Blaze because I don't want to have so many Blazes in the collection, and they're pretty much the same car, so we're gonna stay away from those for now. So let's see who Panda Bear Truck is. This is Panda Bear Truck. Panda Bear Truck, a fun and friendly panda truck who loves to play in the jungle. Best friends with Stripes and Tiger Truck. Loves to swing on vines and bounce on trampolines. Comes whenever Stripes blows the jungle horn. So that's Panda Bear Truck. Do you guys remember what episode Panda Bear Truck is from? I don't remember. Probably one of the jungle episodes. So here is Panda Bear Truck. Got big panda eyes. He's nice white and black. He's got his nice black stripe here. Textured fur like a Grizzly Bear Truck. And he's got these cool black panda ears and his nice cute panda bear nose and smile. So there you go. That is Panda Bear Truck. So who is Debris? It looks like a dump truck, or garbage truck. So let's see what Debris is. Debris. Axle City's garbage truck. Keeps the city clean by hauling away trash. Helps Blaze and AJ clean up Crusher's messes. Married to Reese, the recycling truck. So pretty sure there's gonna be in the new wave of Blaze and the Monster Machine, you're gonna see Reese, the wife of Debris. So here we go. Garbage trucks are always cool. He's looking that way. Is that the Axle City logo? I believe it is, or is that the garbage truck logo? This is gonna be a fun little truck. So there you guys have it. Debris and Panda Bear Truck. The last two we were looking for in the new wave of Blaze and the Monster Machine toy vehicles. So here are all most of our Blaze and the Monster Machine cars, excluding our extra Blazes and our extra Crushers that came with playsets. And so you bet we'll be doing more races with these in the future. Looks like Panda Bear's wheelbase is wider than... No, they're actually the same. It's just his axles are look a little longer for some reason, because maybe they're black. But yeah, we'll be doing races in the future with these guys. Hopefully we have time this weekend to film a race on the racetrack like we did before. So if you haven't seen that already, go check it out. I'll put a link on the video and for you to click if you haven't checked that out already. And thanks for watching, and check out our playlists for other Blaze and the Monster Machine videos. And if you're into Disney cars, we got some of those videos for you guys to watch. And Hot Wheels, and if you like Fast and Furious cars, there's plenty of those videos for you guys to check out. So check out the Demon Viper channel page, and you'll get links to all our playlists and popular videos and stuff like that, and see what's going on with the channel. Alright, so thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.